totally adult film, but
And we're shooting.
it's definitely NC-17 on vocals. Well, yeah, Andre's gonna put.
Before you start, I'd like to thank all of you
You're
guys.
already on the video, so.
Oh crap!
Everybody's
You're still beautiful. It's okay.
And turn around.
Before you guys start, I just want to thank you all
Andre,
very
your
much
voice
for
changed.
doing this for me. I really, really do appreciate it.
That was good, actually. Yeah.
Okay, where's the design club?
Oh, design club. Let's
You
stick
have a hole. You're not
our
supposed to have
plastic right next to the turbo that gets cooked. It's not fine, but it's okay.
Oh, you're in. Oh wow, the snorkel is.
But it's fine. Because it sucks enough air, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it.
that. It's not after the
It's
sensors,
ram
so
air.
that's all.
Keeps
Yeah.
the turbo cool.
Yeah. Yeah, the turbo gets
So in
cold.
other words, I don't park and talk in the car. I turn the car off and get the hell out of there.
Well, you have a turbo, you might want to let it idle a second.
This is a turbo?
Yeah. That's right there.
Shows you what
See the
I
thing
know.
that looks like your hair
Your
dryer?
dryer?
See? I need to get somebody else in my life now that Jim's not around. So he can do this, or else you guys are going to be awfully busy on Tuesdays.
Well, that's fine. It's fun.
That is really weird that they did that.
Yeah.
And this is like,
And it's only got a half a shield on the turbo.
and it's
Yeah, the turbo, the heat shield doesn't go all the way around.
But I mean, this is
Brilliant.
paper thin
Yes.
plastic to put here. This stuff is a lot more. This should have done it with
Look at-
this
I can
or
go in
that.
here and get a piece of it, probably.
Stop fingering the hole.
It's been a while, damn it.
Did you take this off?
Yes.
Okay.
I already got half of the stuff disassembled up here so we can get to the coil packs. Look at Chris is on it for being my video monkey this evening. Would you like to be the cameraman all the time? Nah, I don't know about all the time.
I think Danielle might say something.
We haven't made a video since 2016, okay? It might be sticky.
Hi, Grant.
A sticky film or a
Hi, Grant.
The results.
Grant's here.
Grant's here.
U.S. grant.
U.S. grant.
versus Canadian grant?
Aussie grant. We have an Aussie grant and a U.S. grant.
Gotcha. Okay.
We have two grants. Yes, it's quite fun. Yeah, I've never seen two grants in the same room until here, but it's fun. They're both my friends. We're gonna do coil packs, pull them out to change the plugs. Obviously, these are gonna go back in because they're working fine.
How many miles is on this?
50-ish.
And we're doing plugs and filters.
B service.
According to B service, according to Mercedes-Benz.
Oil change.
Yes. So we're gonna lift it up and do the oil change first. I have the lift position.
50 something. 50.
50. We've discussed this
Would
like
anybody like to
7
ask that
times.
question one more time?
Hey,
How many miles are?
For those who are playing the home game, suck at nose.
Oh my God! All right. Allie, what's my going up tagline? What do I always say?
Not as fun as going down.
No, he has a whole thing. It goes floor to floor.
Four-cylinder turbo.
No idea. Probably not enough.
It's probably okay.
It's leaning at like 5 degrees.
Yeah, it's fine because it only picks up on one side.
Why do I even ask?
Remember, it's always fine, Grant.
What is the weight limits on this stuff?
6,000.
That's not 6,000.
Oh, it's fine.
All right, we're gonna come down
No,
on the
you
blocks.
should see when we put the Bronco Raptor on it. It's like,
Oh no, I went under with the
It does a little dancey, but it's gonna be all right. Just a little bit.
Sorry.
Okay, so we need to pull this out.
Did
Did we ever get that ratchet that I dropped earlier out? Oh, so we get a surprise ratchet with an extension because I dropped it. Oh, now you can probably reach it because we're late. You have little tiny arms.
Yes.
Why does everybody keep telling me that?
We're not complaining.
He crawled into the rear, the
Oh yeah,
side
this story
window
was
of the
good.
Thunderbird.
Look it.
thanks.
He can change a
Hey, that's actually probably the size I need.
spark plug by just putting his hand in.
Nope, need one size up.
It's an 8mm.
Dad, you're not participating in your own recovery.
looks like it belongs to
It
the
is
other.
pretty cool. That's very
Okay. There is our drain plug. And the filter on this is a cartridge. We will handle that when we go back down. So I think we need about 13,
12.
13, 14, 12. 15, everything.
It's fine.
13.
You guessed right.
Sauce.
I'll grab that.
13 red one for the. Oh,
Oh yeah, get that! Look, oh girl was smart. He's like, hold on.
Yeah. Now we got to guess where it's gonna.
It was still private.
And make sure you open this. We have the new.
It should be open.
Yeah, it is. Oh, okay.
Because did you see Wick's note on here?
Yeah, we had a little.
Explosion?
Got a little messy.
Yeah, you got to be careful if you don't have the top
I was in
closed
a-
and
I was in a